Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. Today we will learn how to crochet this cute little heart coaster with a simple border. For this project you can use any kind of yarn, but I prefer to go for cotton yarn. So here I'm using a sport weight cotton yarn with 4mm crochet hook. So now let's get started with a magic ring. So this is how I'm making a magic ring. After make a magic ring, work one chain to secure your magic ring. Now slowly take the fingers out. So this is how it looks like. Now from here work two more chains. So with that chain one, total we'll have 3 chains. Now from here we're going to work 3 treble crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over twice and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops left. Again yarn over, pull through from that both loop. So here we made a treble crochet. So from here we're going to work 2 more treble crochets into the same magic ring space. So there should be total 3 treble crochets. So here we made our second treble crochet. Make another treble crochet. So total we have 3 treble crochets. So after third treble crochet we will work 3 double crochets into the same magic ring space here. So this is our first double crochet and this is going to be our second double crochet, and this is our third double crochet. Now we're going to work an extended double crochet. For that, start like a double crochet, yarn over and insert the hook from the same magic ring space and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through from the first loop only. Now we have 3 loops left. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is how we're making an extended double crochet. This extended double crochet a little bit taller than a double crochet and shorter than a treble crochet. After the extended double crochet, we will work 1 treble crochet into the same magic ring space. So this is going to be the tip of the heart, the point part of the heart. After the treble crochet, we will do an extended double crochet again. So start to work same like double crochet, but at the first we will pull through first loop and then pull through 2, again pull through 2. So here we made our extended double crochet. From now on we're going to do the same thing in mirror to the other side. So we will do 3 double crochets into the magic ring space. Here we made our first double crochet, and this is our second double crochet, and this is our third double crochet. After the 3 double crochets, we will work 3 treble crochets into the magic ring space. Okay, here we made 3 treble crochets into the magic ring space. Now we're gonna do 3 chains and do a slip stitch into the same magic ring space. So can you remember we started the round with 3 chains, and the same way we're gonna stop. Okay, now pull the short tail and then close the magic ring nice and tightly. So here we made our first round of the coaster, and this is how it looks like. Now let's start the second round. For that, work chain 1. Now I'm going to work 2 single crochets into this first round's chain 3 space here. So insert through this chain 3 space and work 2 single crochets into the same space. Okay, here we made. Now into the next chain space, top of this first treble crochet space here, we will work 2 double crochets into the same space. So here we're making our first double crochet, and the second double crochet goes into the same chain space. Now into the next chain space we will work 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we made 3 double crochets into the same space. Now into next 4 chain spaces we will do increases. It means we will do 2 double crochets in each next 4 chain spaces. So here we made our first increase, and into the next chain space work 2 double crochet and increase. Again into the third chain space make 2 double crochet Again, into the fourth chain space also work 2 double crochets, the last increase. Okay, here we made increases in each 4 chain spaces. Now into the next chain space work 1 double crochet. So after that you can see we came to the tip of the heart here. So into the tip of the heart we're going to do the same thing. So into that chain space we will work 1 extended double crochet. So for that, yarn over and pull up a loop through the next chain space and yarn over, pull through from the first loop, and again yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2. So here we made an extended double crochet. Now work a treble crochet into the same chain space. After that, work another extended double crochet into the same chain space. So into the tip of the heart we will work 3 stitches into one space. So now from here we're going to work the same stitches in mirror to the other side. So after this step we will work 1 double crochet into the next chain space, and we will do 4 increases. It means 2 double crochets in each 4 chain spaces. Okay, here we made 4 increases. Now into the next chain space we will work 3 double crochets into the same chain space. Okay, we made 3 double crochets. Now into the next chain space we will work 2 double crochets. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now into this chain 3 space here we will work 2 single crochets, same like we done here. So work 2 single crochets, top of that 3 chain spaces. So this is our first single crochet and this is our second single crochet. So after this we will join the round into the first chain space here. So can you remember we started the round with 1 chain, so insert through that chain 1 space and work a slip stitch. So here we made our second round of this coaster and this is how it looks like. Now let's start the third round. For that, work chain 1 into the very first chain space here, work 1 single crochet here. Into this place work 1 single crochet. Okay, here we made the single crochet. Now into the next chain space here work 2 half double crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and we have 3 loops. Now yarn over, pull through from all of the loops. So here we made our first half double crochet. So make another half double crochet into the same chain space. Okay, here we made 2 half double crochets. Now into the next chain space we will work 2 double crochets into the same chain space. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets into the same chain space. Now into the next chain space work 3 double crochets. Okay, here we made 3 double crochets into the same chain space. Now into the next 2 chain spaces we will do increases. It means work 2 double crochets in each next 2 chain spaces. So here is the first double crochet and the same space work another double crochet. So this is our first increase. Now into the next chain space also work another increase. Work 2 double crochets into the same chain space. Okay, here we made 2 increases. Now into the next 8 chain spaces we will work 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in each next 8 chain spaces. Okay, here we made 1 double crochet in each 8 chain spaces. Now into the next chain space work 2 double crochets. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now into next 2 chain spaces we will work 1 double crochet in each. So this is our first double crochet. Now into the next chain space make another double crochet. So here you can see we reach to this tip of the heart. So into the tip of the heart always we're going to do the same thing like the second round. So work an extended double crochet and a treble crochet and again an extended double crochet into the same chain space. So always the tip of the heart going to be the same. So after that do the same stitches in mirror to the other side. Work 1 double crochet in each next 2 chain spaces. And into the next chain space work 2 double crochets. Now work 1 double crochet in each 8 chain spaces. Okay, here we made. Now work 2 double crochets in each next 2 chain spaces. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets in each 2 chain spaces. Now into the next one work 3 double crochets. After that, into the next chain space we will work 2 double crochets. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now to the next chain space work 2 half double crochets into the same chain space. Now into the last chain space work 1 single crochet here. Okay, here we done. Now from here we will keep a little bit long tail and cut it off because we're gonna join the round with an invisible slip stitch. So for that, take the needle and pass through the needle and just watch carefully and do the same thing. After the invisible slip stitch, we will hide the yarn behind of this heart like this till you feel nice and secure, and then you can cut it off the extra yarn. Okay, here we made the heart. Now let's see how to make a simple border to this heart. So I'm taking pink color yarn and work a slip knot. Now grab the project and insert the hook from any chain space, but I like to insert through the place where we stop, which is the first chain space here. So insert through that and work a slip stitch. Now from here work 1 chain and into the next chain space work a slip stitch like this. Again work 1 chain, again into the next chain space make 1 slip stitch. Again work 1 chain and into the next chain space make a slip stitch. So this is gonna be our border. It's super simple. Just make chain 1 and then a slip stitch into the next chain space. So this pattern creates a very simple and elegant border. But if you don't like this border pattern, you can just make just a simple single crochet round. But I feel this gives a more elegant look to this heart and it enhances the heart. Just continue this border till the end. Okay, here we made a cute little heart coaster and this is how it looks like. I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until that, take care. Bye-bye.